nasabi ko na to lahat noon Senate hearings, congressional hearings. Wala naman po nagbago, nandiyan pa rin naman po yun.
So hanggang ngayon.
Pwede niyong makuha yan kung ano, sa Senate.
So nasabi mo na yan noon?
Nasabi ko na po noon.
Tama ba yun, Jimmy, na yung bayaran pala dyan o yung TARA system na sinasabi, per container?
Yes, Your Honor. Ngayon uso na GCash.
Okay, sige. Salamat. Congressman Kit, you may proceed. Continue, please.
So kung you have 30,000 per container and there are 100 containers na pinapapasok mo every week, magkano ang kinikita mo? Mark?
Malaki rin po.
That's how much ba? I'm very poor in math. Huh? 3 million? 3 million a week?
Yes, Your Honor.
Puchaks. Oh, sorry. A week yan, ha?
Your Honor, hindi lagi dahil po yung mga Chinese